My name is Fumiko Imano. I'm an artist. I'm based in self-portrait photographs. Sometimes I do video and installations. When I recognize myself, my ego, I was in Rio de Janeiro. I lived there from 2 years old to 8 years old. So my life was in Brazil. And then I was Japanese, with Japanese culture, and my parents Japanese. But somehow I was surrounded by Brazilian culture. And then when I came back to Japan, I was 8 and I felt like an alien again. I was alien before too, living in Brazil, so I keep being kind of alien, cannot fit into this country all the time. But I really liked the life in Brazil. Twins just happened accidentally in the beginning, and I shot left and right and then connected. It was like twins. And then when I came back to Japan, I had identity crisis, adapting myself to Japan. And then I wished that I wanted to have somebody else to be cheerful with. So I started making these twins, like a butterfly collector, like pinning, yes. We had to take picture at the UNESCO here, and then had a location hunting, and then I found myself want to do something about Paris, and about taking picture with these amazing buildings, and also to pray with models, the beautiful, perfect look model with Saskia. Yeah. Funniest moment was praying with Saskia with baguette, because we used a baguette for the battling and orchestra, because I had picture in my as my work playing orchestra with baguette and stuff. But it was different because I only pray with myself for my pictures, but it was Saskia, so it became more fun by somebody coming into my work. Yes, I don't really wanna do, but I think it's gonna be great if I do it until I die in a way. The grandmother twins, and maybe in the deathbed twins or something like that, or in a coffin. Maybe somebody can take a picture.